Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to check for winners. There's any winners available in this our game, because currently our script is not able to handle that. So that's what we're going to handle in this section of this Tic Tac Toe game. So we're going to write the code beneath after a particular player has been, because you know that this code is for that of player 1. So we're going to put it under it, which is this here, which is going to be what did I say? So one other, okay, beneath, this is for that of player. What did I say so that I want it to be under here? Let's say in a situation whereby it was after the player 1 played, and then that's when we got a winner, or after the player 2 played, that's when we go to win. If I have to put it on top here, it's going to check there's a winner. If there's no winner, it's going to go on and run this player 1 to check whether there's a winner. In a situation whereby it was this player 1 that decided the winner, and then since there's no condition here, there's no condition beneath it, after the player 1 is done playing, what it's definitely going to do is going to bounce to that of player 2. Meanwhile player 1 was the winner here. So we're going to put condition in 2 places, which is after the player 1 is done playing, and then after the player 2 is done playing, which is going to be here, which is after the white tree, because we want to make sure the player enter the right thing. The player don't enter in the right thing, because notice white tree forces the player to put the right thing, the proper thing, and the same thing with this white tree here, forces the player to put the right thing, and it's going to be under here. And also we want this board to be updated, because after running if there's a winner, we want to also display the board here, also display the board, so the winner can see where he or she won, or for player 1 and that of player 2. So instead of writing it here direct, we are going to write it beneath the board. Okay, let me give it a little bit space. So it's going to be beneath the board, so it's going to be here. Let me take this out. So for that of player 2, it's going to be here, and it's going to be here. Let me delete that. For that of player 1, it's going to be beneath the board, because I want the board to inherit everything that has been all the reassignment that has happened for that of post and that of post 2. And there's another problem that I want us to look here, that's going to make our script more complex and so annoying, because right here, for example, normally we say that we're going to have 8 possible condition where somebody can win, which are the rows and the column and that of the diagonal. Let's say in a situation we're going to check if the post 1, post 2, and post 3 are that or is X. So we're going to player 1 1. So we'll do the same thing if it's that player 2, sorry, not anybody that selected that of X and anybody that selected that of O. So let's say in a situation whereby player 1 decided to select X. So right now we're going to, the condition is going to be times 2, because we're going to check if the player 1 is that of O and the player 2 is that of X. I think this should be it for this video. If you find the video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.